WhatsApp new update. How to add username on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your username on WhatsApp. So this is a recently new updated features from WhatsApp that you can use username on WhatsApp also, like um, Instagram and all. So guys, to add your username on WhatsApp, make sure to update your WhatsApp from Google Play Store or App Store. Let me just get inside the WhatsApp, and then here you have to click on this three dot on the top right corner, go to settings, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Okay, here in the top you can see the pencil icon, the edit icon. Simply click on it, and then guys, you can see here username, reserve username. Simply click on it, and then you can see create username. Just click on create username, click on next option, loading account center. Here you can see is add WhatsApp to account center. So what you have to do is that confirm it. Okay, just hold on for a few seconds. It depends upon your network. Until that, please subscribe to the channel and give a one thumbs up, and please comment me down below. So here you can see you reserve Simon Match. So I have already reserved this name. Soon you can share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with someone for the first time. We'll let you know when your username is ready to use. So after reserving your username, mm, you can just give your username, and then the person will be able to contact through your username only. So you can see here, contact me by username, everyone. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.